It might be necessary to update the tiny UF2 on the board if you tried to install CircuitPython unsuccessfully. Double-clicking the reset button will put you in bootloader mode to prepare for CircuitPython installation. You will receive an error message, and the CircuitPy drive will not appear. Read the info UF2.txt file to check the bootloader version of your board. Any version under 0.33 will need updating. To update, navigate to the CircuitPython page for the board and open the installer, selecting the Install Bootloader Only option. Before connecting, press the D0 button followed by the Reset button and release both buttons. You will see a blank screen if successful. Your browser will now be able to connect to the board. Select the board from the pop-up menu that appears. You should now be able to successfully install CircuitPython by dragging the installer file to the boot drive. A drive called CircuitPy will appear on your File Explorer, and a Hello World message will appear on your board's screen. Your board is now ready for the next steps of installing the program and needed library files.